can take a sunrise, sprinkle it with dew, cover it with chocolate and a miracle or two. The Candyman, ooh, the Candyman can.
The Sweetie Man coming.